Hey, how's it going? This is Michael de la Cruz, and in this affiliate marketing dummies guide, I'm going to share with you how you can get started with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to share a little about my story too, how I got started, so you can be inspired and really take your success to a whole new level. There's a lot of things that you can do with affiliate marketing, and basically it's like the key to success, especially if you're just starting out. If you're if you're a beginner, this video is for you. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Okay, so here we go. So thank you so much for viewing this video. If this is your first time in my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I share things that has to do with how to make money online, how to how to succeed in affiliate marketing, how to build a profitable business on the internet, and truly how to do online marketing, how to succeed online. That's pretty much what I like and what I'm passionate about, and that's why I share with people, because it's something that has changed my life. So I believe and I'm confident they can change your life if you just follow the tips that I share. So if these are topics that interest you, go ahead and hit subscribe. Make sure you like this video because it helps it, and let's go ahead and get to it. So what is affiliate marketing? I'm just going to start with that, because you might know, you might already know what affiliate marketing is, but you haven't been introduced to. So I'm just going to give you my definition of what affiliate marketing is. And in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is actually when you're getting paid for really promoting and selling other people's products. So here it is, somebody already created a product, and you actually got license rights to go ahead and resell that product. So when you make a sale, that person or that company will pay you a commission. All right. So just think about it as real estate. Let's say you work for a real estate agency and you're an agent of that real estate agency. So when you sell a house, the agency gets a portion of the money, for that they got from selling the house, and then you get a portion because you were the one that did the transaction. So when you do affiliate marketing, you're being compensated for referring people to a company, right, or a person. And in the internet marketing world, basically, you actually referring traffic into this company, and when visitors go through that, to that company's funnel, or that company's website that they'll provide you with when you become an affiliate, then you get a commission when somebody buys something, right? That's a simple explanation of what affiliate marketing is. And if you really want to get started, there's basically so many things you can do. Amazon has a good affiliate marketing. I don't refer people to Amazon a lot because the commissions are very low. You're probably getting paid 10% per sales, right? So the commission, going to be so low, so you got to work, way harder. Now, there are companies out there that actually pay more commissions. They pay higher commissions, and that way and that way you become profitable, right? For being a part of that company that pays higher commissions. All right, so I refer people to companies that I myself am an affiliate of, or that I have tested out, and companies that I endorse that actually pass all my uh, you know, all my tests as far as what a good and what a very reliable and high valuable company is. So if you're looking for a way to earn money online, a way, using affiliate marketing, then I have my number one recommendation. Go ahead and click that link below. It says my number one recommendation to making a full-time income from the comfort of your home, which is basically how I started, right? I was here in a cubicle job, and I needed something, I needed a way out. I needed something that would allow me to be home, to be there for my wife. We can travel, we can do the things that we love doing, and we have this thing going online that would actually allow us to do that. So I went through affiliate marketing when I started because I didn't want to spend time creating my own products. I didn't want to do market research. I didn't want to set things up myself. So I went to affiliate marketing because it was the easiest way to get started. And guess what? Once I started referring people, then I started making sales, and I started really creating success online. So this is why I'm sharing with you this, because it's going to help you as well. So if you really want to get started in affiliate marketing, then go ahead and check out my number one recommendation. It's a company that I'm a part of too, and that I highly recommend. I feel really confident of sending people to, because you're going to learn all the blueprints that I have learned to creating a full-time income from the comfort of your home using affiliate marketing. So this company is going to help you do that. It's going to help you get started. It's going to help you set a business, create a business from scratch, right? From scratch, and it's going to help you get things already done for you. So this is 100% dummy proof program that's really going to educate you, and it's going to give you everything you need to succeed online with affiliate marketing. So if you're ready for that, if you're ready for real success, go ahead and check out my #1 recommendation, and we'll see you in the next video. Leave me your comments, let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video.